Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the move today. In fact, this is what we would call a good old-fashioned gap and trap in trading lingo. What do I mean by that in case you're new? Well, on Tuesday, the price closed right there. This morning, the price opened up there, hence a gap up. And in this situation, a very, very, very big gap up. And then after the opening bell rang, some poor souls were buying up here. And then from there, it was basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that is the gap and trap that took place. Just a savage move. But now once all the dust has settled, there's certainly some very interesting levels going forward that a lot of people will be watching, myself included. And a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing. Call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. And the level that I think a whole lot of people are going to be watching, again, myself included, right here at, let's just call it 68.50. So 68.50 over the course of the past couple of days acted as support. So a guarantee? No, absolutely not. Guarantees don't exist. A valid thought, a rational thought to have, for sure, if the price comes down here and then breaks down through there, that could very well create a whole bunch of downside selling pressure. So there's going to be a lot of shorts watching that level, and they're going to be wondering, if the price does come down there, is it going to be able to hold up again? So 68.50, again, a very, very key level. If that level cannot quite hold up, then really next level, not until where the price bounced from a couple days ago, and that was all the way down there at 67. So 68.50 and then 67, two key areas to watch moving forward. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the level that I think a whole lot of people will be watching, it's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, especially after the price, quite literally bounced right off that level. So there's going to be a lot of people watching that area. That's a very common moving average to use within the world of charts, and that's currently valued at, we'll just call it 71.35. So those are going to be the main technical levels that I'm watching going forward, so let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.